Hello, Kitty. Good morning. Good morning,
teacher.
Proud and Abe. Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay. Have you taken your breakfast already?
Yes.
Okay. What day is today? Today is
Monday.
Monday. And today is rainy day. Okay? Today is
Yes.
rainy
It's
day.
raining already.
Yes, and you have to take extra care
Yes.
this time, okay? Because it's rainy days and cold, okay? You have to drink warm water from time to time and choose to eat healthy foods, okay? Because we can get easily sick if you will not eat healthy food, okay? This is aim, right? This one is aim. This one. This one. Papa, proud. Who is this one is aim?
No, it's proud. Have two. Proud have two.
Any proud? Proud number two. Any proud number one? Any proud number two. Okay?
Me number one is here number two.
You are number one? You are proud number one, and then this one is proud number two.
Yes.
Okay? Okay, so we have here proud number one and proud number two. We also have Oi, and we also have Papa, and Bea is here. But I cannot see the. Okay. Bea is hiding. Hi, Bea. Good morning, Bea. Okay, I want you first, before we start, I want you to prepare a notebook. You have your notebook with you, or you can prepare a piece of bond paper, bond paper like this. If you have, if you don't have, you have to prepare your notebook. But if you have this one, much better, okay? If you have bond paper, much better. But if you don't have bond paper this time, you can prepare first your book. Yes, book. Yes, that one, notebook. Notebook or bond paper. If you don't have a bond paper, you can prepare your notebook. Okay?
We have books.
Yeah, just notebook. Prepare it first. Okay, prepare it. Just prepare it. Because we are going to do something. Okay? We have to do some activities today. Okay, prepare this one. Okay, now I will show. This is what I prepared for you today. Welcome to our math class. Okay, this is in our math class. We are in our math class, okay? Okay, look at this one, telling the time. You know already how to tell the time?
No.
You know already, you don't know how to tell the time yet? Okay, I will help you. This one, you can know how to tell the time. Look at this one.
Why like this?
Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a minute. I will share this one. Okay, now let's continue.
Ow, it's the road.
Go to this one. You have to prepare your book, your empty page of your notebook, or your bond paper if you have a bond paper like this. And you have to write draw a circle. You have to draw a circle. If you don't have any compass to make a perfect circle, for me, because I don't have, I am using this bowl. I have my mini size bowl, medium size bowl. And I want to make a perfect circle. Yes, you can choose. You can use anything that can create a perfect circle. I am using like this because I don't have a compass. Yes, you can use that one. Anything that is circle, it will help you. It can help you make a perfect circle. Okay, so you have to do this one. Okay, and you have, don't forget to after you make a circle, you have to fold like that, so you can separate into two the circle. You can write here pass and two. This one, have you sent this one? Have you sent this one? Pass and two. This is very important. Put at the top. This is very important. Put at the top. Pass and two. And you have to write this one here at the at the center. You have to write the 12 and okay at the center. That is the center. So you can form the clock. Okay, and then you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Okay, this is, you can do like this. Okay, form a circle. And first, okay, I want you to write this one. This is very important. First, okay. Okay, you have to write this one first. 5 pass. Look at this one first and 10 pass. You have to write this one. This one will help you tell the time, okay? And quarter past. Okay, look at this one. And look at this one, 20 past. Okay, you have to be creative, do it properly. And 25 past. You can do like this, half past. Okay. Okay, 25 too fast. 25 2. Okay, 22. You have to write this one. I will finish this one first so you can know the outcome. A quarter to. Okay. 10 to. 5 to. Okay, so you have to do like this, okay? You have to do like this. This is your homework. Okay, you have to make it nice. Make it nice. Make more creative. Do it more creative. And this one, after you finish, you post this one in our line group. Okay, you post this one because I will post this one as your activities. Because for this time, we are not using too much your book because all our books is in our school. So you have to do this one as your activities, okay? Do it properly. Make it more creative. Okay, do it properly. Make it more creative. And I want to take picture first. Cannot finish this one yet. You can finish this one later, okay? Take a picture first so you can do this one later. I just want you to take a picture first, this one. Take a picture first, this one, so you can do this one later. Okay, you make it nice, okay? Take a picture first, this one. Okay, take a picture first, this one, and then you can do this one later because I will discuss about telling time, okay? I will discuss telling time. You have to take a picture first, this time. Take a picture. Finish, take a picture. Yeah. Yes, you have to make this, you have to make a circle and do like this. Okay? But you can finish this one later. You have to take a picture first because I will discuss about telling the time, okay? Okay? I will discuss about telling the time. Take a picture first. Okay, now let's go. I will continue, okay? I will continue first.
Yeah.
Listen to this one first. You have to answer this one first. I have many questions here. Okay, you have to tell me the time. Okay, what this clock? It and you have to put in your project or homework. You have to put this one. We have in our clock. We have short hand and long hand. Okay, short hand and long hand. You need to be creative. You need to do it. You have to also put short hand and long hand. Okay.
I have
So now
pepper.
So I want you all of you first. I want all of you first to look at here and answer this one. What's the time? Is this clock? It shows what time? It's 1 o'clock, right? This time is it's 1 o'clock. Okay, look at here first. Answer this one first. Okay. How about this time? What's the time in this clock? It shows, this clock shows what time? Look at first, answer this one first. It's 5 past 9. 5 past 9. Okay?
น้องฟ้าวาดอันนี้ค่ะ อีกทีนึง
Okay, look at you. Answer this one first. Answer this one first. Answer here first. Okay. You know already how to tell your time? Okay, if somebody will ask you, okay, Papa, this clock, this is your watch. What time is it now? Huh? What time is it now?
2 o'clock.
It's, you have to tell it's 10 past 6. Okay? 10 past 6. That's why you need to make that watch that I tell you. So you can tell the time. Okay? It will help you tell the time. It will help you know how to tell the time. Look at this one, this clock. What's the time now? It shows what time? This clock. This clock shows it's 7:15. 7:15. Okay? Look at her first. Okay, look at her first. You answer this one first. You answer this one first, okay? 7:15. Look at this one. And this clock shows what time? By Boa. Okay. What time now? By Boa here. Fafa. Bea. Oi. Okay.
Okay.
It's 20 past 2. You need to answer. It's 20 past 2. This one here, that's why you have to write here at the top, past. In your clock, you have to write here 2, right? You have to write here 2 and you have to write here past. It will be easy for you to say 20 past 2. Okay? Hello, Marine. Marine. How are you, Marine? Hi.
Sick and good.
You are?
Yes.
How are you now? You feel better?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I'm happy to hear that you feel better, Marine. Okay, so you are here now, Marine. Look at here, Marine, first. Okay, I want you to prepare. I want to come back to you, Marine, so you can catch this one. Okay, all of you doing this one, Marine. I will go back a little bit. Okay, everybody's doing this one, Marine. I want you to draw this one. I want you to do this one, all of you. Okay, this will be your homework. I want you to do this one, all of you. You have to write 2 and pass. Look at this one. You have to make a circle. You have to make a circle like this. Okay, you have to prepare bond paper or any, if you don't have bond paper, you can use your notebook. Okay, and do this one, Marine, okay? Like that. They are doing also this one. And if you have a compass to make a perfect
ไม่ได้หรอ
make a
คะ
perfect
ไม่ได้ มันไม่โต
circle, Marine, you can just use this one, Marine. You have your bowl.
ไอ้ค่ะ
Okay, you have your bowl. You
นี่
can
จ๋า
put
เขา
like
ให้
that.
ใช้ถ้วยอ่ะ
Okay, put it in your
เอา
bowl.
มาเป็นวงกลม
นี่ไงถ้วย
You can now create
Dài
a
vậy.
big circle. Okay, you can do like that. You have this shape of bowl or anything you have. It can help you make a perfect circle.
นี่ชิชา
Okay.
เอาให้ทีเชอร์ดู อันนี้เอาออกมาก่อน
What, Marine? Yes, that one, Marine. Yes, that one. You can use that one and make a perfect circle like that. Okay.
เหรอ
And you have to take a picture first. This one, Marine. Take a picture. This one,
ได้
Marine.
ไม่ต้องเอา
You can take a picture. This one, or you can go Okay. Take a picture. This one, so you can do it later. Okay. Take a picture because you will do it. You cannot see this one now because I will discuss the telling time. Okay, Marine? Marine, take a picture this one, okay? All of you take a picture. Okay, let us continue now. You have to do this one. All of you have to do this one. And now
ต้องใช้กี่ช่องหน่อยมิลิน
okay, we are in here now, I think. Okay. Yes, you can use that one. Yes. You can use, if you can see anything in your home, that is a circle that can help you form a circle. You can use it. So you can do this one. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, now let's go to this one. You need to know how to tell the time. Okay?
ก็ใช่ไงยาย
Somebody will ask you, what time is it now? You need to know how to tell the time.
เดี๋ยวนี่
Okay, what's the time
อันนี้รอบ
now?
สองนี่
In
ไง
this
เห็นไหม
class, it
แล้วก็
shows
อันนี้
fast.
รอบสามเอาลบอันนี้ก่อน
โต
ลบเอานี่
In
จะ
this
ลบ
class.
ตัวอันนี้ก่อน
You can tell me the time? Anybody can tell me?
ครับโต
It's 20 past 2. Okay, very
เดี๋
good.
ยว
Please
วาง
answer
ให้
me.
มันเท่าๆกันก่อนสิลูกหนูก็ไว
20
เด็ก
past
เอ้า
2. Okay, this clock shows it's 20 past 2.
จดยัง
And now this one. What time is it now? This clock shows what time? It's 25 past
เดี๋ยว
11.
ก็เดี๋ยว
25
ที่เคยมัน
past
วางไว้ไม่กลม
11.
จะที่ไหน
Look
เลย
at
นะ
here.
วางให้มันไม่เท่ากัน
Okay, and in
เอา
this
กดไว้
clock,
เอง
in this
Gột anh
clock,
vô
you
cô.
have to say
แล้วก็โค้ง
it's
มานะ
half past 3. Half past 3.
เออ
Okay,
แล้วก็ทำไงทำช่อ
and
ง
then
นะ
let's
ทำ
go
ชิ้
to
น
this one.
อ่า
Okay, this
Nó
clock
khiển lên
shows
cái
what
sổ tôi
time?
nghĩ
This
của-
clock. It shows what time? Anybody can
นี่
answer?
นี่12บนนี้12 1กับ2
Okay, you have
Dài
this.
rồi.
Next time I will
นี่
ask
มัน
you,
เต็มบน
okay?
คูนี่แหละแล้วก็มา1ตรงนี้
Okay, this time shows it's
นับไม่ได้แต่ถ้าของคู
25
เนี่ย
to
เขียนมา
8. It's 25 to 8. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one
ทำไม
now.
บุม
Let's go to this one. What time is it now? This one. This clock shows what time?
กะให้มันถึง
Anybody can
11
answer?
พอดีเนี่ยเอานับ11ลงมานี่ก็ได้ไม่ต้องไปบนขนาดนั้น11
Anybody can answer. What time is it now?
11
You can tell.
10ตรงนี้
Or you
ไม่
can
ชอบ
tell.
ดิสกีดิดเอาเวดี
เดี๋ยว
เอ็มมี่
Ready?
อย่าเพิ่ง
It's
เอ็มมี่
9แล้วก็8
ที่เชอลูก
You finish already?
8แล้วก็
Okay, very
6
good.
ตรงนี้
Okay,
6
very
ตรง
good
กลางนี่เลย
boy. You have to write this
เดี๋ยว
one.
5ขยับหน่อย
You have to
10
write,
เกิ
okay?
น
ว้าโตไอริส
ไว้
นี่
ตรงนี้
Okay, very good boy. After you finish, you can post it in
พ
our
อแล้วเอาส่ง
in
ให้คุณ
our
ครูดู
line
ที่เชอ
group.
ดี
เข็มมือยังไม่ทำ
Yes, very good, Marine. After you finish, you post it in our line group. And then, now help me answer
เข็ม
this
สั้น
one. Help me answer this one.
เข็มสั้นชี้มาตรง
It's
เลข 6 สิ
to
เลข
6.
6
Help
ไม่เห็น
me
ครูก็ชี้มาตรงเลข
tell the time.
6
And
ทำให้
this
มันตรงเลขคุณครู
shows
เดี๋ยวเนี่ยเลข7
quarter to 5. When somebody will ask you, what time is it now?
เดี๋ยวมา
Quarter to
นี่
5.
นี่
Okay?
นี่
ใช่ลูกตรงกลางต้องเป็น
ให้
6
โขกให้มันตรงลงมาเข็มตั้งชี้ลงมาหา
This
ลูก
clock
นี่
shows it's 10 to 12. It's 10 to 12. You have to study this one. Next time I will ask
ขยับ
you.
4ไปหน่อย
For now you're still busy doing the clock, right?
แสดงว่าครูเขาเลื่อนเข็มไปเรื่อย
But next time I will ask you the time, okay? It's 10 to 12. You have to study this one.
เข้าใจ
And this clock, it shows what time? This clock shows what time?
ตอบคุณครูก่อนแล้วฟ้าตอบคุณครูอันนี้กี่โมงคะ
Okay, this time it's
อันนี้
5
กี่โมง
to 4.
อันนี้4 โมง
5 to
5 to 4.
4 time
It's
5 to 4 นะคะ
5 to
อีก
4.
5 นาทีไปถึง 4 โมง 5 to 4
No, not 4. Before 4. This one is 5 minutes before 4.
5 minutes
So,
before
so it's
4
saying it's 5 to 4.
4
Okay. Okay, look at this one. What's the time? This one, Marine.
3
Papa, look at this one. You have to answer this one. It's
ฟ้าฟ้าตั้งใจดูก่อนลูก
25 to 3 or 35 to 2. 35 to 2?
No.
Oh, the answer is
Okay.
25 to 3. 25 to 3.
อีก 25 จะเป็น 3 โมง 25 to
Okay, now
3
let's go to this one. Okay, this one. This one. What time is it? How you can tell the this time?
ตั้งใจ
55 to 2 or 5 to 3?
อันนี้
Okay.
5 to
5
3. It's 5 to 3. No, this is one is correct. 5 to 3. Okay.
อีก
Now let's go to this
5 จะ
one.
เป็น 3 โมง 5 นาทีเป็น 3 โมง
What is the answer here?
อันนี้อะไร
20 to 5 or 20 to 4? 20 to 20 to 5.
Okay.
The answer is 20
อืม
to
เก่งมาก
5.
ดังๆเลยนะคะ คุณครูไม่ได้ยินคุณฟ้า
How about this one? It's 50 to 10 or 10 to 11?
to 11
10 to 11. Yes, very
Okay.
good. The answer is 10 to 11. Very good. And the next is? Okay. How you tell this time?
ตั้ง
A
ใจอ่านก่อน
quarter
ตั้ง
to
ใจอ่านก่อน
6 or a quarter to 7?
6 โมง
Quarter to 6?
No.
Oh. Answer is? Quarter to
quarter to
7.
Okay.
Very good. Quarter to 7. Okay, now let's go to this. Oh. Okay. Now you understand already?
เข้าใจไหมคะฟ้า
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is how you're going to tell the time, okay? If somebody will
ฝึก
ask
บ
you,
อกเวลา
you know, your own class, you need to know how
แกะ
to
เข็มมันน่ะดูค
you
รู
need to know how to tell the time. So this is very important. I want you
เขา
to
ให้
do
นับยังไงไม่ยายก็ไม่เข้าใจ
you're doing this one. I want you to take a picture with this one,
เวลานะคะ เรื่องเวลานะคะฟ้า
and you have to finish this one and post this in our line.
sharing the time
Okay, post this one in our line group, okay? This one. You have to do this one, make it more creative. Okay, make it nice,
เขาอ่านว่าไง
nice,
เนี่ยอ่าน
make
ว่า
it
ไง
more creative. This one can help you more tell the time. Okay? And this one can help you make tell the time more easy, okay? Okay, you have to do this one. After you do the clock, you have to write here past. This one, this is very important. And you have to write here 2. And this is 1, 5 past. You have to write it. 10 past, a quarter past, 20 past, 35 past. You have to write it, okay? All of this, you have to write it. and study that one. Not only you have to write it, you have to study that one, okay? You have to take a picture with this one so you can finish this one later. Okay, take a picture first. And then you have to post your homework. This will be your homework, your activities. You have to post this one in our live group, okay? Okay, K3? Okay, so I
เขี
hope
ยนอัน
you
นี้มาก่อนเขียน
understand.
ตัวนี้มาก่อนมิลิน
I hope you
เขียนมาตรงนี้
understand. And our time
Ken.
is already
เขียน
up.
ริมเนี่ยเขียนนี้มาให้หมดก่อนแล้วจะเอามาแปลว่ามันเขาอ่าน
Okay, our
เขียน
time is
มา
already up. I want to say still have
F
ข้างบนเนี่ย
เวลาแล้วค่ะป๊า
we have science after this one, okay? We
Yeah.
have science after this one. So I will end this one first and I'll see you in our science, okay? So thank you.
S
Thank you,
Thank you, Miss
K3,
Son. Thank you,
and-
Miss. Thank you, Miss
อ่ะ
Son ค่ะ
ทีนี้มาเข้าในนี้พอ
Yeah, thank you.
ที่
And
นั้นใช่ไหม
I'll see you in our science, okay? Thank you for now. Bye bye now. Bye. I'll see you in our science, okay? I will just go and open it again. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.